Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail with Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to turn on the Gmail integration in Salesforce. So first, we need to go to Setup, and from here, click on Setup, and then we just search for Gmail. So basically, by typing Gmail integration in sync, we will find this Gmail integration. Make sure that you have uh, keep Gmail and Salesforce connected, etc., and uh, add everything that you want. And from there, you can either add an email application publisher layout, etc. So what we want to do now is to start adding the activity capture. So by going to activity capture, you will be able to start adding your emails or your Gmail and connect everything between both. So here we have our Google G Suite, and basically, if you didn't already have it enabled, you will need just to go to setting and click on enable, and then you will have these settings that will be appearing. So in the Einstein email insights, we can find these. What we want to do now is to go to settings, and basically from here you can see that you can start adding some configuration or some your emails. So you can go to new configuration and then give it a name, etc. Next, and from here you can choose either if you want to integrate or to synchronize the email or also the events if you want, or we can just make it both direction, etc. Then you will need just to next until you finish your configuration, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.